Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today's side dish is something which everyone loves and you can serve it as usual with any kind of rice, dal rice, sambar rice, rasam rice, anything, or even with any mixed rice like coconut rice or lemon rice. This will go very well with it. We are making raw banana chips. These are the green raw bananas which we make into sabji. I have shown you so many types of sabji. The raw banana fry, then with boiled type and podi mas. So today I thought we'll make chips with it. So first what you do, you just trim this portion and then peel it like this. See, using my peeler I have peeled it like this. Notice that I kept the stalk portion intact because this helps in grating it. Now using a grater, we will just slice this directly into the water so that you get even slices. See, this way it becomes easy to handle it till the very edge. Now add a pinch of turmeric powder and some salt to this. See, just let it remain in the water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remember, this is not the Nendram or the yellow variety of banana. So we will just keep it in this turmeric water for some time. It is 10 minutes now. We will just drain it out from the water. Now just spread it out on a cloth for about 10 minutes so that any excess water is removed. We have spread it out on a cloth for about 20 minutes so that all the excess moisture can dry out. Then we will just remove it separately on a plate. Here I have heated some oil. Now when it heats very well, then reduce the temperature to medium and just put them in one by one. Fry it till they become nice and crisp. When they are nice and crisp, drain it out from the oil. Listen to the sound. Likewise, we will fry the remaining batches also. See, my slicer has made very thin slices. You can even make slightly thicker slices too. It need not necessarily be so thin. So whichever slicer you have, you can use that. If you are an experienced person, you can slice it directly into the hot oil. And this is a slightly thicker slicer I have taken. So this way it is you are able to hold it easily right till the end. Now allow it all to fry very well till it becomes nice and crisp. You can fry it in a medium to high flame. All our chips are fried and ready. Now in a bowl I am adding some, this is optional, I am adding some chilli powder, a little bit of hing. And remember, for the second batch which we fried directly in the oil, I did not add any salt. Only in the first batch we had soaked it in salt water. So a little salt for that. Just mix it all well together. Now add these chips to it. And mix everything well together. Finally, I'll just fry one sprig of curry leaves in the hot oil. So our tasty, crispy, raw banana chips are ready for serving. So we'll serve out our crispy banana chips. With some steaming hot rice. Today I am going to serve this homemade curry leaves powder, which is very healthy. Top it up with some ghee. A lovely combination for lunch or dinner or your lunch box too. You can make the best use of these hot summers by making different kinds of powders. You can sun dry and keep curry leaf powder, coriander powder, pudina powder and so on, and which will come of use to you whenever you are short of time or during a rainy day also. Just make some rice, add this powder and mix it with some side dish and eat. One tip to remember is, when you put the raw banana slices in the oil, see that they are separate. Otherwise, if they clump together, when you fry, when you open it, you will find that the inside is not cooked and only the outside is cooked. You won't get a good end product. So take care and patiently put the slices one by one into the oil. Also, allow it to cool down well to room temperature. After that, you can store it in an airtight box. Of course, the quantities which we are making, they will not last more than 1 or 2 days for a small family. So, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting recipe video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.